Requirements for the YouTube Automation Tutorial and Masterclass. There are only two requirements for this masterclass: a laptop and internet connection, both of which you likely possess if you're seeing this. No prior knowledge is required for this course, as it is specifically designed for beginners and those who already have a YouTube channel but are not getting any views. There are no age limits or restrictions for this course. You could be 16 or 60. YouTube offers opportunities for individuals of all ages. Whether you're employed full-time, part-time, a third-party contractor, retired, homemaker, or have free time on weekends, you can still pursue creating a YouTube channel due to the flexibility that it offers. By the conclusion of this course, you will have also acquired a comprehensive skill set that will empower you to leverage your expertise to offer multiple YouTube automation services on freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr for additional income streams. This would be a bonus income in addition to the YouTube channel's passive income that you will generate over time. Disclaimer: this course isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. YouTube requires consistency and high-quality content. You won't suddenly get thousands of views on your channel right after completing this course. That's not how the YouTube algorithm operates. Anyone claiming otherwise is simply not telling you the truth. People often think YouTube as a great means of passive income, but these days, YouTube has become the primary source of income for individuals not only in the United States, but all across the world. Many individuals are running their entire households solely on income generated through YouTube videos. It's crucial to approach your YouTube channel with the same level of dedication and commitment as you would any other business that you open. Success on YouTube, much like the growth of any companies, be it Microsoft, Facebook, your local 7-Eleven, requires time, consistency, and unwavering passion. No business achieves viral success overnight. It took Facebook more than 10 years before they started monetizing content and selling ads. Building a YouTube channel is a journey that requires consistency and patience, and is a process that you need to trust. So it is very important that you treat your YouTube automation channel as a business and not as a hobby, which is a mistake that many people make. Remember, your YouTube channel is an asset, just like your car, house, or apartment is. To be more precise, your YouTube channel is a digital asset, which is something many people don't fully understand. There is a very famous Chinese proverb: a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. With this master course, we will help you not only to take the first step, but we take you along your entire YouTube journey.